I'm going to tell you, I did look up the statute because I believed like you did. I was like, I don't know, is this right? Because I think you've got to give notice on the 1st. And that's what prompted me to look it up. And I found the same statute you did, which was as long as the notice is given within the term for which she's paid her rent, and it's 30 days, then she's properly given you notice.
But her 30 days was on the 1st.
That's right. Her 30 days that she paid you for was July 1st to July 31st. She gave you notice within that time period on the 8th that she would be moving in 30 days, which would bring her to August 8th, but instead she gave you 32 days notice.
Correct.
She was going to move on August 10th. You're still responsible for rent from the 1st of August until the 10th of August. She deducted that from the security deposit. Now, I understand that you're asking for hardship. What was your hardship?
You know, we were in the midst of a pandemic. I never once denied her any rent, even though there was a lot of opportunity for tenants to take advantage of. I didn't do that. I paid her every month.
She's not saying that, Judge Corriero.
Thank you.
Anyway.
Thank you. Ms. Chug, how long have you been a landlord?
Oh, for probably 30 years.
30 years?
Yes.
Your answer to why you withheld a security deposit was that you relied on your lawyer's advice.
And plus, just generally in renting all these years.
Well, all right. Then to some degree, it was based on your belief, in addition to what I think we're going to conclude is that your lawyer's advice was incorrect. And then you said, because she gave you an improper 30-day notice, you were going to charge her for the entire amount of rent for August. Now, that's not right either, right? Because she wasn't there.
Well, like I said, that I acted on the advice of the attorney, and the rent came due on the 1st.
But generally speaking, acting on the advice of an attorney does not justify legal mistakes.
Well, as I'm finding out.
All right, thank you.
The parties are excused while we deliberate in this matter. Thank you very much.
I think that we're probably on the same page with respect to returning the balance of the security deposit. The conduct by the landlord, if she had not gone to a lawyer and said, is this okay? And if the lawyer hadn't said, yeah, I think it's all right, I'd be more inclined toward the extra recovery. But I don't think I'm there.
Actually,
I'm sorry, go ahead.
The lawyer literally says she owes the full month because she did not give you proper notice. I mean, because I was trying to look at this to see whether or not, you know, it could have been misinterpreted. But once I saw that, I don't see any reason to hold the defendant responsible any further than returning the $1,420.
I'm on board.
Good.
We're unanimous.
Yes.
Very good.
This courtroom is again in session.
Thank you, Officer Montejano. We've deliberated and we've reached a unanimous verdict. The law is very clear. She gave you notice within the statutory time period, and she's entitled to the balance of her security deposit. So then, Ms. Thomas, we started to think about, are you entitled to something more? Having to drive 95 miles round trip to go file a lawsuit is no small thing. But we'd have to find that she was acting in a fraudulent, deceptive, dishonest way, someone who's motivated by fraud. She's not motivated by fraud. So we're going to dismiss the balance of your complaint, but we are going to award you the $1,420 that you're entitled to. Good luck on the new job, and everybody stay safe. Keep being great.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you.